Hello friends, we have learned how to use tools with practical examples. Now we will learn how to use filter menu and some other tools in Fireworks so that you can understand the usage of the tools. For that, let's start Adobe Fireworks. To use the tools, we have to open an image. Let's take this. Okay. Filter tool and adjust color. Auto level automatically set the contrast and brightness according to the image. You can see the contrast. Then after blur tool add blur on the given image. You can see the blurring effects on the image. Let's blur more. These are some tools which are used to edit images. Then motion blur. We can set the distance and angles for blurring. You can see the effects. Okay. You can set angle also for blurring. You can see the output. Then click OK. Then after add noise. This is another tool which give effects to the given image. You can see the result of different amount of the image and noise effect. Remember that add noise blur tool work on pixels of the image. Then after other, we can see the borders of the image using find edges. Sharpen tool is used to sharpen the images. Let's take an example. Sharpen more. You can see the clarity of the image, the sharpness of the image. These are some basic tools which are given into the Fireworks. Optimize history. History shows every steps which are taken by us on the image in Fireworks. Then after align, there are some align like left align, central align, right align, top align, bottom align, etc. Then states, pages. We can also create layers. Then after styles, we can change the colors of the image. Then blender, we can also mix the colors, two or more colors. Then after swatches, we can also add path to the image. Then these are some basic tools: red eye removal tool, crop tool to crop an image or area of the image, scale tool, blur tool, sharpen tool, dodge tool, and burn tool. We can add some characters in our image using special characters. Then auto shapes, documents, and common library. In next tutorial we will learn how to use auto shape in our image and some another tools. Thank you.